Best and worst fruits for diabetes. Let's think about it together. Everyone says, eat more fruit. But if you have diabetes, does every fruit help? Or can some actually make blood sugar harder to manage? We'll walk you through the safest picks, the ones to watch, and practical snack swaps you can try today. 1. What is the glycemic index, GI? GI is a simple idea. It ranks how quickly a carbohydrate in a food raises blood sugar. Low GI foods raise sugar slowly. High GI foods raise it fast. For people with diabetes or prediabetes, low GI foods are safer and help keep blood sugar steady. 2. The best fruits for diabetes. Best fruits for diabetes are low GI and high in fiber. They digest slowly, so your blood sugar stays steady. Here's what experts and new studies say. First, cherries, GI 20, super low GI. Cherries also have anthocyanins, natural plant compounds that may help your body use insulin better, helping control blood sugar. Second, berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, GI 25 to 41, packed with antioxidants and fiber. Fiber slows the sugar so you don't get a spike. Science shows antioxidants also help reduce inflammation, another diabetes risk. Third, apples with skin, GI 36 to 39. Soluble fiber, called pectin, makes apples steady your blood sugar and feed healthy gut bacteria. Fourth, pears, GI and 38. Like apples, high in water and fiber, which fills you up and controls sugar absorption. Fifth, oranges, whole, GI 40 to 45. Eat the whole fruit, not the juice. Oranges give vitamin C and fiber for a slow, steady sugar release. Juice loses most of the fiber and spikes blood sugar. 3. The worst fruits for diabetes. Some fruits digest really fast, meaning your blood sugar spikes quickly, which can make diabetes much harder to control. Here are the types to watch. First, watermelon, GI 72, super high GI. Even a little can spike blood sugar. But a few small cubes are usually okay as a treat. Second, pineapple, GI 59 to 66. Tropical flavor, tropical sugar rush. Enjoy only in small portions. Pair with nuts to slow absorption. Third, ripe bananas, GI 62. Green, unripe bananas are lower. The riper, the more sugar they have. Go for just yellow bananas, not brown. Fourth, mangoes, GI 51 to 60. Delicious, yes, but very sugary. Eat a small piece if you're craving the flavor. Fifth, grapes, GI 49 to 59. Sugar dense, so stick to just a handful. 4 practical rules you can use today. 3 habits to keep blood sugar steady. First, portion control. Treat most fruit as a carbohydrate serving. About 15-gram carbs per serving is a common rule of thumb. Use measuring cups or a guidance list for portions. Second, pair fruit with protein or healthy fat. Nuts, Greek yogurt, cheese. This slows digestion and lowers the post-meal glucose spike. Studies show adding nuts or peanut butter to carbs reduces the glucose response. Tip: 2 quick, safe snack recipes. First, berry protein bowl. 1-2 cup mixed berries plus 3 tablespoon plain Greek yogurt plus 1 tablespoon chopped walnuts. Low GI plus protein plus fat. Second, apple plus peanut butter. 1 small apple, sliced, plus 1 tablespoon natural peanut butter. Both equal roughly 1 carb serving but blunt the blood sugar rise. Third, prefer whole or frozen fruit over juice or large dried servings. 5. Final thought. Let's make this practical. Which fruit do you eat most? Drop a comment and let's talk about what's on your plate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert, science-backed, and practical health guides, delivered in simple English just for you.